Let's try a paper dog today. I have a rectangle piece of paper. This has a texture, but you can use any plain paper that you have. Stiffer paper will help your animal stand up. If you only have white, you can color it in later. We're going to start by folding this in half like a book. Give a good press on the crease and then turn it so the fold is at the top. The open side is at the bottom. We're going to turn this into a dog that is walking sideways. So his legs are going to be here and his back is going to be here, and we're going to add a head. So he's going this way. Right now, we're going to take out the space between the legs because there are no legs in the middle. There's a leg in the front and a leg in the back. So I'm going to grab my pencil and make a pretty tall rainbow right in the middle. And we're going to take our scissor and cut through both pieces of our paper. And when I'm finished, how many pieces do you think are going to be in my hand? Yep, 2. Save these. We're going to need these to make a head and the other details. So here's, so far, the top of the animal's back and his feet, but these don't look like legs yet. Let's change that. Start in the corner, make a tiny curve up, and then go all the way to the side of your paper. Do the same thing here. Start in the corner, make a curve up, and bring your line to the edge of your paper right here. We're going to curve the back because animals don't have any points. We need to get rid of those corners. We need to get rid of this corner too, so his back is round. And right here, we can do the same thing. So do you see that? We shaped his legs. Let's cut those parts off. And if your leg is too thick, you can change it. Cut through both sides of your piece of paper so the legs match. And the last curve is here. So you could see that we now have the body of a little animal. And if you're using stiff paper, it will be able to stand up. So now we need the head. And I've got these 2 pieces of paper. Do you see how this goes right here and can look like a head, except it's flat? So let's take our scissor and try to get rid of those corners again. That's better. If I wanted to do a dog, I could use this paper to make some ears. One ear, you want to just make an oval shape. And the other ear. And then I can save this little piece for a tail. You see how that works? Down tail or an up tail. Let's take away this. And there's our little dog. We take your glue stick. I only need a little bit of glue on the end, a little glue on this end. Stick those down. Maybe one ear could be up. Look how cute. Whatever you want to do. Oh, we have to glue the head on. We just need a little glue right here. You can tilt his head, make him down or up. So cute. And then a little bit of glue at the top of the tail. Tuck that right into here. And there's your little dog. We just need to make some details, right? You can see how any animal can be made like this. If you wanted to do an elephant, you would make the ears bigger. If you wanted to do something with horns and small ears, that would work well too. A bear would have little ears up here. So it's really fun, and think about what animal you would like to do. It could even be an imaginary animal. I'm just making some little paws by making curved lines right there. A dog's nose, I like to start with right in the middle of his face. Just making a big black oval. And then I'm just going to do this for his mouth, and I'm going to put a circle around that, or an oval around that, and make his eyes up here. I'm leaving a little shine mark. I think you know how to do that. Don't color the whole thing in black. And there's our sweet little dog. If anything looks too big, like this ear looks a little bit big right now, you can go back and trim it. You can always change things. If you wanted to put stripes, you could. If you wanted to add a little shine mark on the nose, I have a white oil pastel. If you wanted to do little cheeks or eyelashes or polka dots on your ears, all of that can be added. I hope you have fun making your pet.